Hey there, try to make this short and sweet. This is July 9th, 2018. Nothing short and sweet anymore, but this is a cornfield. Got a bug right in the mouth. I planted May 21st, and it struggled. We had heavy deer browse. It had a sulfur deficiency, and of course it had a weed problem too, well, non-desired vegetation. So we came in and sprayed an organic fertilizer, Forage Blaster, on these leaves, and it responded really well. We also sprayed a organic fertilizer or organic spray called Explode that deters deer. It's like a agriculture grade deer be gone, if you will. That also looks like it responded well. And then of course you can see the clients sprayed the Roundup to get rid of the weeds, and that also responded well. And although there is still a little bit of deficiency on some of the leaves, we saved this plot. Now I planted soybeans in a few strips. And I don't know if you can see the strips or not, but the soybeans are acting to take browse off of the corn. One of the biggest lessons I've learned with this is we're taking so many nutrients out of the soil with corn. Corn is one of the hardest things to grow, I think, in the deer food plot industry. Especially when there is no cornfield around here for miles, and there is 40 to 50 deer out in this field. A lot. High deer numbers, little food. So when we are taking all these nutrients out of here, all the micronutrients, meaning we're basically just using salt-based synthetic fertilizer with urea and potash. But we continue to keep doing this. We have to add micronutrients back into the soil, or we are going to struggle each and every year to try to keep this plot up. So this is about 5 acres total. There's a little trail there. You can see the blind over my shoulder right there. And fingers crossed and we get some rain here soon. Well, we've had some timely rains, but with everything going on, I have a smile on my face, and this worked out. So we are going to add micronutrients. We have to add micronutrients back into these fields, and probably the best way to do it is to use organic fertilizer, and that's what we're going to strongly look at next year. Very cost-effective way. We'll use a big truck to come in here, since it is a bigger field, and spread those nutrients on here, and we won't have some of these problems we had.